Hey guys, I got a code reader for you for under 15 bucks. It's the Xtool AD20. Check it out. Here it is right here. This tiny little thing. It pairs with your smartphone with a free app, free updates, don't have to pay for anything. No subscription. This little tool will read and clear fault codes, do live data, freeze frame, IM readiness, O2 tests, and let's plug it in. Just plugged it into the OBD2 port underneath the steering wheel. Turn the key to the on position. Now this is a Black Friday deal. It's originally like 55 bucks. Plus we'll be doing a giveaway on 3 of them. 3 of you guys will win them thanks to Xtool. To pair it with your smartphone, all you got to do is download the free Advancer AD20 app. Let's show you the interface.